Hey, so I have these headphones. They're my favorite headphones ever. They're the Sadie Mix-Fi, or when I got them. Well, no, they're not the Sadie Mix-Fi. I hate this naming convention. They're blue headphones. It got bought out by Logitech, so that sucks. And they made these headphones a long time ago, like over 10 years ago, called I think it was the Lola, the Sadie, the Mix-Fi. These were the Sadie, and then eventually they broke because the build quality wasn't that good, and it still isn't. And the Sadies, I upgraded them. No, I mean, I returned them, and they gave me the Mix-Fi, and that's how I got these. And I like them a lot. They're heavy. I'm not gonna say they're not. However, and they require a special cable that goes in there. That being said, though, these are probably some of the best for me. The sound quality of them, I like them a lot. It does still have this old school charger, and this thing does like mess up a bit. The cushions have completely worn off, and anytime I put them on, I get this like black stuff around my ears or my neck, and it sucks. I'm not gonna be able to fix it 100%. I still gotta I don't know how to fix this part up here, but we can repair the bottom part. I just ordered some new cushions, so I'm so excited about this. Okay, there's a little clip in there. Oh look, they're coming off. Oh, they came off. Holy shit. Whoa, it actually came off. This is much easier than I thought it would. All right, so the other side came off and we were able to get it in there. This one feels much harder. It feels like I'm gonna break something, to be honest. I feel like I'm like really forcing it in there. I'm kind of worried about how they're gonna get put back on because this feels very difficult. It feels kind of weird looking at the headphones, kind of just naked. The only thing that worries me about these headphones is that there is like a lithium ion battery in here, and I am worried in the future, like replacing that or the expansion of it, that is a concern. Now, I'm not going to do anything about the headband. I honestly can't do much about it. There's not really I don't think there's a replacement part for it. So whenever it does break, I'm probably just going to get a cheap headphone replacement brand I can just kind of put over this whole thing, which is gonna suck, but hey. And then I also don't know what to do about these hinges eventually when they do break. I hope they don't break. If anyone knows what I should do with these hinges, maybe I should apply oil to help them last a little bit longer, let me know. But let's put them on. These feel so soft. It's weird. I wonder if this is how they felt when I first got this headphones. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Like it's right almost in there, but it's not quite in there. I'm not sure what the correct pressure point is. Like a part of me wants to maybe use this little tool. All right, we got one of the cushions on. So what I figured was that I couldn't get it in all the way just doing one piece at a time. So I would do one piece here. I would clip it into one part of the clips, then try again here, try again here. The moment it wouldn't fit onto the other side, the moment the next clip I couldn't like force in, I would unclip it and then try it again from the other side and then eventually make my way around. And I found that really helped me. Holy crap, are my arms getting sweaty just trying to put this thing back on. Whew. We're gonna try putting in the next cushion just like how we did that. So hopefully this one won't give us much of an issue, because I am worried. These don't have the best build quality. So I am worried about, them. Like, I'm worried about breaking them because I don't think they're going to last me maybe a few more years. Oh, man, these were so expensive, too. I think on release, they were like $400. So that kind of sucks that, the cushions can't last that long. Or at least, I don't know, the cushions fell apart in a way that my other headphones cushions have not fallen apart. So it was just weird. So I guess it's just maybe cheap material. No. One more. No, shit. That sounded like it broke. And that right there is the last click. And holy shit, we actually did it. Let's go! Yes! All right, time to actually test them out. I have not heard these headphones well, like in a sitting down situation like this, for like 2 years. So I'm so excited. Wow, you can see all this mess right here.
You heard them say it.
My church offers no absolute. She tells me worship in the bedroom.
The only heaven I'll be sent to is when I'm alone with you. I was born sick, but I love it. Command me to be with.
The only thing that sucks is that it kind of leans a little bit to the left or to the right. I don't know. Like it leans a little bit. I don't like that it leans. But I'm gonna take these babies out for a little spin. Part of the reason why these headphones are so special is because it's one of the last things that I honestly bought in Houston before I came to over here to California. And I used to ride these on a bicycle so much, which is probably why the original ones broke, and then why the ones I got using the warranty wore out so quick. I would ride my bicycle all over Houston, and I would just take these with me, especially on Sundays. I would go to a Starbucks and just listen to music. So that's why these are kind of special to me. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all later, and it's fun learning how to do something new, man. It really gives you like a sense of confidence. It's so cool that I can rock these again.